Hello, viewers. You're welcome to another section of Knowledge is Power. And today I want to deal with a problem on the exponential equation. This question they come in different form. Recently, one of the students asked me how can I be able to solve a problem which has a square root as a power, and that is why I'm making this video today. And here the question says 9 to the power of square root of x is equals to 729 to the power of x. Like I said in my previous class, when you're dealing with problem which seems to have properties of indices or exponential equation, the only way the power can be equated is when the bases are in alignment. If the bases are not in alignment, there's no how we can be able to solve the power problem. In other words, I can say if a to the power m is equals to a to the power n. This indicates that the bases here are in alignment, they are the same. So which means if the bases are the same, the powers can simply be equated to deal with. So if the bases are the same, m can be equated with n. And that's the only way you can solve that problem. Without wasting much time, let me go straight into this problem. And here it says 9 to the power of square root of x. On this left hand side, we have 9 as a base. On the right hand side of this equation, we have 729 as a base. But there's no agreement in both of them. And the only way we can do that is to bring them into an alignment. So here we know that 3 to the power 9 is equals to 729. So 9 to the power 3 is equals to 729. So 9 to the power 3, 9 times 9 times 9 is equals to 729. So 9 to the power 3 multiplied by our x here. So on this left hand side, we bring down our 9 is square root of x. So we have succeeded in bringing alignment on both hand side of this equation in regards to the base. So since the bases are the same, so we can go ahead to equate the power to solve the power problem. So square root of x is equals to 3 times x, which is 3x. On the left hand side, we have square root. On the right hand side, we have 3x. And to do away with the square root here, we multiply both sides with square. So we said square root of x to the power 2 is equals to 3x to the power 2. So this square will cancel out this square. So we're left with just x is equals to 3 square is 9 and x square is x squared. So you see, this question or this problem has finally come to a proper way that we can simplify it, just like a quadratic equation. So, just like a quadratic equation. So I can say, if I move 9 x to the power 2 to the right hand side, or if a 9x cross inequality sign, that will become x minus 9 x to the power 2 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Right? Is equals to 0. So is equals to 0. So here, something is common here, which is x, if you want to factorize. So that will become, what is common here, which is x. So x into this x here is 1 minus x into 9x squared, it's 9x is equals to 0. So therefore, I can say x is equals to 0. And to solve further, we have 1 minus 9x is equals to 0. So to isolate x, let's move 1 to the right hand side of the equation, or 1 jumping inequality sign, so that we can be able to isolate x here. So if I say that, that will become minus 9x equals to minus 1. So we divide both sides of this equation with minus 9. So minus 9 and minus 9. So this cancel this. We have succeeded in isolating x here. So minus 1 divided by minus 9 is positive. So we can also say x is equals to 1 all over 9. Like I said, always make sure that the base is in alignment so that the power problem can be solved. Share, comment, so that this information will reach people that need it. And also, if this information is helpful to you or might have been helpful to you in any way, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you.